Good morning. I'm just checking to my hotel room. So I'm in Singapore right now. I'm at the 24 hours laundry service, and you can tell that Singapore is the most advanced and trusted place in the world. It's 24 hours laundry service. No need somebody watching. See, there's no need nobody watches. Have a secret camera, and then when you're coming in, open 24 hours. You can come anytime. This is Sims Avenue and Lower 21 Geylang. So you want to do laundry, you just go there. You see the two kind of machines. They have the 11 kilogram machine and the 16 kilogram machine. They have all the price set from $5 Singapore dollar to $6. They have different cycles that you want, and the other one is the 16 kilogram. They have different cycle from $7 to $10, depending what kind of wash you want. So what do is you pick the machines that you want. You put the laundry in there, and then you put the dollar bills in here. You put the dollar bills in there. You put the $10, $5. They give you the change, and then you take the coins, and then you put into the machine. You pick the cycles, the $5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, how much, and you put the coins in there. They have detergent already. You don't need to bring detergent, and you push the button, and 30 minutes your laundry is done. So this one, they have cycle also. This is for sick. They have big load, so these are the cycles. So from 39 to 48 minutes, depend what cycles you pick, and you can pick the kind of washer you like, the temperature. And then when you're done with the laundry, you take your wash laundry and you put it in here. You throw it in there, and then you put the coins in there. So you put the $1 Singapore dollar is 6 minutes. You put the coins in there, and then you push the temperature. The high temperature is faster, so recommend about 30 minutes. So 6 times 5 or $5, and you just throw in there. Well, you see, I have 20 minutes left, so you get instruction to do it. So really simple. So no need to be watching, no afraid somebody breaking in. Need a fan, just push the button. See, everything's clean, no trash, nothing. See, so this is in Singapore. I'm in Singapore right now. I'll be here in a few months. So this is Lower 21 Geylang and Sims Avenue. So, and then this is Geylang, so part of Singapore. They got plenty of hotels and residents you can rent here. Plenty of Chinese food, Malaysian food, Indian food here, all along here in the street behind. Hotels everywhere, so very relaxed. There's no trash, no rubbish. You get a fine for trashing, get a penalty, get arrest for any crime. There's security camera every corner, so very advanced country. So you want to be safe, go to Singapore. So no worry about people picking your pockets or stealing, nothing, really safe country. See, when you go outside, they have temperature checks everywhere. You're supposed to wear a mask everywhere. Everybody required to wear a mask. So again, I'm doing my laundry in Singapore, Geylang. So you need bus. They have buses here, and then you go straight over there. You want the train is on the left. On the left, they have a train take you around the island. So okay, have fun.